guys, AK MotoBroo, and today is gonna be crazy. We got shredders out here today. Yes, sir! Yeah! We got the boy Johnny over here, yes, sir! Crazy! Good shit, bro. The cops came? No! Is that a cop? Right? Me too. My thumbnail. Yeah. Hey, you want to say something?
Man, we outside.
What did he say?
I told them, I was like, yeah, they told, I said, he came out, I was like, yeah, nah, they gave us permission as long as we don't do burnouts and park all the cars outside. They said, and pick up our garbage, they said we were good. He's like, I'll take your word for it.
Let's go! Let's go!
You want to smoke?
Bro, I'll burn you up, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, you go too fast. He goes way too fast. I can't keep up with him. Let's go! Are you kidding me? Yes, sir! Bro, I don't want to say it, but I know y'all thinking it. Let's go! 450, bro. Let's go! Bro, he's 12 years old or 13, something like that, and he's on a 450. Last time he was on a 150 small wheel. His homie's on a big wheel now. How you like it? He said that bike's alright. It's a little big. It's a little big for me. Wow! We getting close as hell! You're trying to kill me! That was close! Oh boy, I told you it's just getting started. It's gonna be sketchy. Woo! Little battle going on. Bro, that 250 sound nasty though, bro. $250.
Yeah, I got 350.
It sounds gnarly. Me? Yeah. Hey, I want all of it. Let's go. Yeah. That's awesome. We lit. Let's go. That was so cool. The little kid was freaking vibing, dude. What? I think he said he learned how to no hand. Okay, let's go. Yes, sir. Just the 150. 150 boys out here hanging out. Ah! They're going insane. Hey, you going crazy, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. What are we talking about? Bro, we got everyone out here shredded. It don't matter what age or anything. Lift it up! Let's go. We got girls out here vibing. That's a 700, bro. Raptor. Bro, look at the weather. Clear. I hope it. Hey, bike life gods, please make it not rain. What? Nah, MotoBroo. MotoBroo. You don't know who I am? I appreciate it. Let's go. Killing it, bro. Hey, tune game on point. Homie cushion it. Woo! Yes, sir. Bro, homie always goes insane. Combo after combo after combo. Let's go! Here right now. I don't know what he said. We got the young bulls right there. Yes, sir. Chee! Hey, keep it up! Keep it up! Keep it up! Keep it up! Let's go! That's what we're talking about on the mini quad, bro. Yes, sir! Let's go! Patty cake with the handlebars. Woohoo! So sick. Let's go! Is that 250? 2? 450? Put me on a 450! No way! Look. Insane, bro. Okay. Bro, listen to that Banshee. God damn. We got one of the homies right here, one of the fans. What do you want to say? Gang gang. Let's go.